friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole, and today we are doing a meal prep hacks video. If you guys have been following for a while, then you would know that I recently did a part 1 meal prep hacks video on this channel, and you guys seem to love it. It actually got over 200,000 views in less than 2 weeks, so I definitely got the message. You guys want to see more types of videos like this, so we are doing a part 2 today because I have probably endless amounts of meal prep hacks on my mind, or just ones that I use in my everyday life that I know are gonna really help you guys out in your own cooking and meal prepping in your own kitchens. So I'm really excited to get into today's video. Before we do, make sure you pause this video to hit that subscribe button down below. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on this channel. And also stay tuned to the end because I'm gonna have a special discount for you guys for the Health Nut Shop. You don't wanna miss out. So without further ado, let's hop right in. Hack number 1 is to freeze your leftover smoothie into ice cubes. Now, I don't know about you, but every time I make a smoothie, there's always like a little bit left and I never know what to do with it, and I don't wanna waste it because I spend a lot of money on these organic ingredients that I blend up into my breakfast every morning. So what you can do is with the leftover, just simply fill up an ice cube tray, and that way you can pop it into the freezer, and then you have frozen smoothie ice cubes that are ready to create a new smoothie, or you can just add them to an already made smoothie if you just want to beef it up a little bit. And this just really is a nice way to use up that leftover smoothie. And then in the morning, just dump your smoothie cubes into your blender, add your almond or oat milk and blend up, and you have yourself a delicious smoothie in minutes. These smoothie packs actually cost a lot of money at the grocery store, but you can just make them right at home. My next hack is to slice your fruits and veggies with ceramic knives. Not only is it easier to cut through certain skins like tomatoes, but it's also gonna help reduce the oxidization when it comes to things like apples, avocado, and that's what happens when they go brown. It's from the metal on regular stainless steel knives. So you wanna make sure you're getting 100% ceramic knives. I will link my favorite down below, but they're great for storing your apples, meal prepping. That way you can actually not have brown apples when you're ready to eat them. Hack number 3 is to prep ahead your breakfast. Now I have a couple of videos on my channel just on prep ahead breakfast ideas. I will link that down below, but this is a great option. You can make a large batch of a muesli where it's basically like overnight oats, and then you just fill up your jars and add in some yogurt. I use some coconut milk yogurt, a little bit of sweetener. You can use honey, maple syrup, agave. Top it up with some almond or oat milk. Give it a stir and then pop these in the fridge, and you will have a delicious breakfast. And this is great since we're kind of coming into the warmer weather, since you may not want a hot bowl of oats, but this is like the spring/summer version. If you haven't tried overnight oats, you need to try it. This recipe will be also linked down below. And then when you're ready to eat it in the morning, simply add on some fresh fruit and dig in. My next meal prep hack is to store your kind of veggies that are going a little bit limp, like your carrots and your celery that can kind of soften over time, and put them into a container and fill them up with water so it's completely covered. And I'm telling you, in just like a few hours in the fridge, they will crisp up again like they're fresh and brand new. This is such a great way just to bring your veggies back to life and use them into soups and stir fries, whatever you need to do. I love this hack. My next hack is to make sheet pan dinners. This is such an easy way to make a quick meal. It's kind of like the one pot meals, but one sheet pan meals. So you'll usually have some type of protein. I have some chicken breast here with veggies like Brussels sprouts, peppers, onion. Pour over your marinade, mix it around, and then all you have to do is pop it into the oven to bake, and it cooks all together. Now, depending on if you're using fish or chicken, you may need to alter the cooking times, but the trick is to cook protein and veggies that take around the same amount of time to cook up. I will link one of my favorite recipes down below. My next meal prep hack is to double batch cook. So if you know you're gonna be making something like a bolognese spaghetti sauce like I'm making here, all you want to do is double it. That way you have extra to either freeze or just to have meal prepped for the rest of the week. It doesn't take that much more effort just to double a recipe than it does to make it again starting from scratch. I've been doing this a lot lately, whether I'm cooking quinoa or making boiled eggs. I'll always cook up double the amount so that I have extra throughout the week. So for this recipe, I basically just threw in some ground turkey, lots of veggies that I had left over in the fridge, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, lots of seasoning, and you just cook it all up. And then what I like to do is ladle it out into large mason jars, and I'll put maybe one in the fridge, one in the freezer to have throughout the week and through the month. My final meal prep hack is to use a weekly meal planner. This is gonna help your grocery shopping go way smoother, and then you just know what you're making throughout the week. So we actually just launched this meal planner and grocery list bundle on the Health Nut shop. I will have a link down below. Not only can you print these out, but they're also digital, and you can just use them interactively on your iPad, on your phone, and you can create a meal plan for the week. We also have a pre-filled meal plan option to give you some ideas. And then we also have a grocery list for you that's already pre-filled out. You can just check off what you need to buy. And then we also give you a blank template if you want to make your own, depending on what your go-to grocery staples are. These come in really handy, and it just makes it so much easier to not only not waste food, but know what you're shopping for and just make meal prepping and planning throughout the week so much easier. Stay till the end of this video for a sneaky little discount code to get this meal prep bundle now. There you have it, Health Nuts, easy meal prep hacks I know you guys are gonna love, and they will truly help you out in your own kitchen. Also, if you guys did not watch part 1 of this new series, I will have a link down below as well as at the end of this video for you guys to check out. Also, let me know if you want to see other hack videos I have some ideas for preventing food waste. I could do just healthy eating hacks. Let me know. I'm gonna have a poll in the top right hand corner here. You guys can vote on the next video, and I will film that for you guys. And thank you for staying till the end of this video. I'm gonna have a special code for you guys to use for the Health Nut shop. A lot of the items I featured in today's video, we actually sell on our online wellness shop, which we sell eco-friendly and sustainable kitchen items and tools that I know you guys are gonna love. We also have like self-care and home and other cleaning things. So it's not just kitchen, but if you guys wanna use the code MEALPREP, you will get 15% off until the end of the month. So definitely take advantage of it. Also, if you loved that weekly meal planner, it's on the shop. You guys can purchase it to easily download it and stick it on your fridge, laminate it, so you can reuse it every single week, and use the discount code MEALPREP to also get some savings on that download. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on the Health Nut channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, happy meal prepping.